Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get diamonds for free in 99 Nights in the Forest, as well as candy. I forgot the code for the candy, but basically for the diamond, you're just going to go to the gem section over here, and you'll see that there is a code section here. The code is after party, and you'll get, I think, 15 diamonds or 20. And then I've already redeemed it, so I don't need to anymore. But there's this new one, I think it's called Halloween something. I do need to check that out again. But it will give you candies for the new Halloween update in 99 Nights in the Forest. So yeah, that's pretty much it really for the free gems and candy. That's the code. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!